So today we're going to make a very simple seaweed soup. This is a low effort recipe. I love making this whenever I don't feel like cooking, yet I want something healthy, simple and nourishing. So let's get started. First, let's marinate the minced pork. Add some salt, light soy sauce, pinch of sugar, cornstarch. Then mix until well combined. If you want the meat to be more springy, mix until it forms a sticky paste. Now add some water into the pot. I'm using a ceramic pot, but you can always use a stainless steel pot or any pot you prefer. Then bring the water to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, add the meat and cook on medium to high heat for about 5 minutes. Just before adding the seaweed, let's check whether the meat is cooked. Okay, the meat is firm. It has turned from pink to brownish color. Now add the seaweed. I'm using this type of dried seaweed. Here it is packaged as black seaweed. You'll probably also find it labeled as dried seaweed or dried liver. This seaweed has thin strands and they're dried into loose disc shapes. The seaweed expands quite a bit, so if you're not sure how much to add, just start with a bit first. You can always add more later. Okay, for this seaweed, you don't need to wash it. It makes it so much easier because there's less prep work that needs to be done. Just trying to loosen the seaweed. It cooks very quickly, like literally within like 30 seconds to a minute. So you can also use this as a soup base. After this, you can add vegetables, tofu, noodles, just anything that you like to turn this into a balanced one-pot meal. Then you can also garnish with some spring onions and some coriander. And there you have it, a healthy, nourishing and comforting seaweed soup. This is so good. The flavors are mild, but it feels so warm and comforting from the soup and the meat. And at the same time, you get to enjoy the light, savory umami flavor from the seaweed. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you next time.